Good morning, students. Now we are moving to the second module, that is Introduction to Java. Firstly, we'll start with the history of Java. The history of Java started in the year 1991 with the Green Team. Java team members are also known as Green Team. Initiated this project to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top boxes, televisions, etc. However, it was suited for the internet programming later. The Green Team at Sun Microsystems. Hence, we can call that the Java is developed by Sun Microsystems. The Green Team at Sun Microsystems was by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Naughton, who initiated the Java project in the year June 1991. It was first called as Green Talk and later was called as Oak, as James was inspired by the oak tree outside his house. It is a symbol of strength. In many countries, oak is considered as a symbol of strength. In the countries such as USA, UK, Germany, etc. In 1995, the name was changed because Oak Technology was already using this name as Oak. Then the Green Team listed few of the names such as Dynamic, Revolutionary, Java, Silk, DNA. Two names were shortlisted, Java and Silk. Java was selected since it is short, easy to spell, cool, unique and lively. Java is an island in Indonesia where first coffee was produced and it is called as Java Coffee. Java is an open source. In 2006, Sun released Java as free and open source and completed the project in the year 2007. In the year 2009 and 10, Oracle Corporation took over the Sun Microsystem. First, let us take a look at compiling and linking process in C and how it is different in Java. Coming to the main function, we are having two functions, F1 and F2. The main function is stored in a file that is a1.c. F1 is another function which we are storing it in a2.c. F2 is another function which we are storing in the file a3.c. When we combine all these functions and send it to the compiler, when all these files are compiled, we get three different object files that are a1.obj, a2.obj and a3.obj. All these are object files that contain the machine code. All these are linked and then an executable file is created. This executable file is then sent to the RAM for execution. In this way, in the C language, the compiling and executing process takes place. Coming to Java. Similarly, we have a main function here with two other functions, F1 and F2. The main function is stored in a1.java. The F1 function is stored in a2.java and the another function F2 is stored in a3.java. When all these files are sent to the compiler, here we get a dot class file. Here we get a a1.class, a2.class, a3.class. This dot file contains a byte code. This dot file contains a byte code, that is dot class file. This dot class file are taken to the RAM through the class loader which is present in the JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, which is present in the RAM. With the help of the class loader, it takes these files, that is .class files are taken to the RAM, and then these files has a bytecode. This is then further verified by a bytecode verifier and then sent for the execution. Coming to the entire flow, there is a high level language, that is your Java code, that is sent to the compiler. Compiler then produces .class file, which is in a form of bytecode. This code can be used on any OS, that is Windows, Linux, any type Mac OS, any type of OS can use this bytecode, and then it is interpreted by the JVM and sent, and machine code is being created. Here JVM acts as an interpreter. Hence Java is a language which is compiled as well as interpreted. Thank you.